Hello, cunts. Welcome to Advanced English with me, Bob Sensei, where we go over only the most important English phrases that no textbook will ever teach. Today we'll be going over an essential word for understanding any English or Australian person, the beautiful word, cunt. The basic meaning of cunt is someone that's just a bit of an asshole, but we will get into more nuanced and advanced meanings later on. Let's start with pronunciation. Cunt. Say it with me. Cunt. Very good. Depending on where someone is from, they can pronounce cunt very differently. Basic English.
I'm not a pedo, and if I was, you'd be safe, you tubby little ginger cunt.
Irish. Australian.
Kevin, stop being a cunt.
Now let's try some useful phrases cunt can appear in. You're such a cunt. This is a basic phrase used when someone is being stupid or mean to you. Now this is fine when dealing with the average person, but what if, let's say, you're dealing with the local chav down the street? In this case, you're going to want to use cunt in a more impactful way, such as,
Fuck off, you good little cunt. You think you're fucking out or something, eh? As fucking if, mate. As fucking if, you bald-headed twat. I could put your fucking bald head all the way back to fucking Lime Street, mate. You don't want to fuck with me.
See how you could barely understand a word of that? That is proof you're saying it correctly. Cunt can also have a positive meaning, particularly in Australia. If used properly, it can be a word used between good friends. For example, what's up, cunt? Oi, fuck me, you're a hard cunt. And finally, those shoes are cuntaliciously lovely, my friend. Despite it being sometimes used in friendly conversation, cunt still receives a 9 on the don't say to your grandmother scale, unless she is also a hard cunt. Thank you for watching. Stay hard.